Hello everyone, I hope you all are happy and safe at your home. So today we will discuss about living and non-living things. We see variety of things around us. Some are living while other are non-living things. So how we classify living and non-living things? There are many points that help us to classify living and non-living things. First, living things move. All the animals and plants are living things. Human beings are also living things. Living things move, grow, breathe, need food, feel changes around them, and reproduce. Living things can move on their own. Animals move from one place to another in search of their food and shelter. But plants do not move from one place to another because they do not have to look for food. They prepare their own food by the process called photosynthesis. Some plants move in a special way. For example, a lotus flower opens out at sunrise and closes at night. The leaf of mimosa plant closes when touched. Non-living things like books, toys and chairs do not move on their own. They move when someone moves them. Second, living things grow. Plants and animals grow with time and they die. A child grows into an adult and then die. A seed grows into a plant. But non-living things like dolls and cricket bats do not grow. Third, living things breathe. All living things need air to breathe. We breathe through our nose. Cockroaches, butterflies and mosquitoes breathe through air holes in their body. Plant breathe through tiny pores called stomata. But non-living things do not breathe. Fourth, living things need food. All living things need food to grow. Food gives us energy to work and do our daily life activities. Animals eat plants or flesh of other animals. Plants do not need to go in search of their food. They make their own food, as I told you, by the process called photosynthesis. But non-living things do not need any food. Fifth, living things reproduce. Now what is reproduction? Reproduction is the process by which living things produce more of their own kind. Animals reproduce by two ways. First is either by laying eggs or giving birth to their young ones. A woman gives birth to baby while a pigeon and a hen lay eggs from which chicks come out. Plants reproduce with the help of seeds. These seeds grow into a new plant. Some plants also give rise to a new plant with the help of their roots, stem or leaves, and this process is called vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction. For example, rubber plant, money plant and sugarcane.